Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we're talking about a new promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. It just started a couple days ago. Today is August 26th. It started about 3 days ago, so it started August 23rd. And this promotion will be going on until September 4th, 2018. So about 2 weeks you have to get a nice promotion. You might be asking, what is this promotion you're talking about? What's the price? What are the requirements? So guys, you know Boost Mobile wants to do everything with family plans, and it's also back to school time. So the school starts tomorrow? Today's Sunday, so it's starting tomorrow, and some kids don't even have phones. Maybe their parents or can't either afford it or don't want to get them, an iPhone 10 or anything like that, which I've seen. Well, Boost Mobile has a good promotion. If you add a line right now to your current unlimited plan and start a family plan, either you can port in a number or just get a new line. You can get the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve for only $10, guys. $10 is quite a bit of savings for a nice budget device. I picked it up for $80 when it came out, and honestly, for that price, I would say it's a go. I did a review and unboxing of this phone, so you can check that out in the description below, so you can kind of see my thoughts on it and what it looks like and everything. But as you can see, I did keep it. Most people return them and stuff, but I actually like the form factor of this phone. It's nice and portable. I like the size of it. It's 5 inches, compared to carrying a big iPhone 10 around with a big case. I mean, I just put one of these simple little cases on it, and guys, that's what I like about it. When I go to work, I just carry it as a second backup to watch YouTube and all that stuff. It's just so portable, you can take it anywhere. So like I said, for $10, if you add a line or port in your number, you don't have to port in. Most of the times you have to port in a number to get these deals. But who doesn't have $10? You can give, your son or your daughter or your mom, whoever you want, you can go ahead and give them $10. They can pick up this phone if you add them to your line. Now, one of the other requirements is they have to be on unlimited data as well. So both of you will be on unlimited data and start a family plan. You can't have the lower tier plans or the data plans. It has to be either on the $50, $60, or $80 plan, just depending how much data and hotspot you want. So that's quick news for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know it's a little quick, but hey, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want me to bring more content to you guys, you can donate and help support the channel via my PayPal in the description below. Or you can check out netbuddy.co. They do offer a true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month, but you can save $10 off your first month if you use my link and promo code description below. But the promo code is Sanchez45973 at checkout, and you'll save $10. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming.